Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 9 and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me it's right on the second page and it's called, I believe, REALME Share. I think that's what it is. Just gonna quickly make sure that this is the one, but I don't see anything else, so select REALME Share. And it looks like that's not the thing, actually. Oh, there we go. So, personal hotspot. It's actually named even correctly. So anyway, once you locate this toggle right here, you will want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can change things like the password. Now when doing this the first time around, you most certainly want to hold it, just so you can, if you don't want to change it, you will need to still navigate here just to see the password for your hotspot right now. But what I recommend doing is selecting the hotspot settings right here and simply changing the password that is set right here. Now your password does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Now that's the only thing that I would recommend changing, and you can also change other settings right here if you want to, if you know what they do. If you don't, I would recommend keeping them as they are. That will ensure that your hotspot will always work whenever you need it. So let's select the checkbox right here, and as you can see, now our hotspot name will be REALME 9 and password, obviously the one that you set up. So whenever you want to use your hotspot right now, simply tap on the toggle, and there you go, it is right now running, and you can connect to this hotspot with any kind of other device. Now once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once again to turn it off. Hotspot does consume a little bit more of your battery, so it is fairly decent thing to kind of remember about turning off your hotspot. Otherwise it will be running in the background, consuming more battery, and if you're not using it, it's just kind of wasting the battery. So anyway, that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.